Hi, I'm Steve and I'm a Pellethead. Earlier I made a dish that I called Bacon Breakfast Explosion. Well, I had a lot of people say they'd like to see it with cheese. So because you asked, today we're going to make a Bacon Breakfast Explosion with cheese. What do you need in a Bacon Breakfast Explosion with cheese? 14 strips of bacon, a pound of sausage, 12 ounces of fresh hash browns, scrambled eggs, 4 strips of bacon that I pre-cut up and cooked, cheese. Now I'm using a white cheddar, a mild cheddar, and a sharp cheddar. And I'm using Casey butt spice for my seasoning. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out 7 strips of bacon. This is the start to making our bacon basket weave. What we're going to do is we're going to add the first row. Next one's going to be the opposite side. One trick is you want to make sure keep the basket nice and tight. That's the start to a bacon basket weave. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. There it is, our bacon basket weave. Doesn't that look good? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Casey butt spice to it. Add a little extra flavor to that bacon, which of course is already good. Okay, let's set this off to the side and prepare our breakfast sausage. All right, what I've done is flattened out the breakfast sausage. Now you want to make this about 1 inch smaller than the basket weave of bacon. What I've also done is I've created a lip. This is to hold the eggs in, so when we pour the eggs in, they'll stay in there. Then we're going to top it with the hash browns, bacon, cheese, spices, and roll it all up. Breakfast sausage on top of our bacon basket weave. Now a tip, it's easier to create this lip once you put the sausage on the bacon. Let's add our eggs. Now this is where you scramble enough eggs, because basically what you want to do is fill this trough about half full. All right, that looks good. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add our fresh hash browns. Kind of spread them out. They're also going to help absorb a little bit of that egg, so they'll all blend together. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add some of the pre-cooked bacon. Man, that's looking good. Then I'm going to top it off some more with, again, some Casey butt spice. Now let's have some fun. Let's add our cheese. And we're just gonna spread that out. You can put as much cheese on there as you want. You can even add some green onions, peppers, chives, whatever you want to put on this. Doesn't that look good? Let's roll it up. Now, rolling it up, just take your time. I like to leave mine on aluminum foil so I can get it started and begin to get the roll going. And I can pull the foil back. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good? Don't worry about a little bit of egg running out. We're just gonna kind of pinch the ends off a little bit. I'm gonna top this with a little more KC butt spice. Set it on a frog mat. Put it on the grill. All right, there's our bacon breakfast explosion with cheese, ready for the grill. Now, as you can see, I put it on a frog mat. I like frog mats because it makes it real easy to take it on and off the grill. Again, I'm using 100% natural hickory pellet. The barbecue is set at 225 degrees. This is going to cook for 1 hour per inch, or roughly 3 to 4 hours, or until my internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Let's get it on the grill. All right, there it is. It's been cooking for a little over 3.5 hours. I just checked the temperature. It's good. So let's take it off and let it rest for 15 minutes. I don't know about you, but from where I'm standing, this looks incredible. Let's zoom in. Wow, look at that. Sausage, eggs, hash brown, bacon, cheese, spices, all rolled up in more bacon. Oh man, I cannot wait to give this a try. All I can say is wow. I wish everybody was here to try this with me. Bacon breakfast explosion with cheese, bacon, sausage, eggs, hash browns, cheese, more bacon. All right. Wow. Wow. I just really like, I like how the bacon, the sausage blends with the hash browns, the eggs, the cheese. Everything just really melds together. Great flavor, great texture. Wow, that cheese just added that little extra flavor to this. Incredible. Wow. Find me on Facebook. I'm a Pellethead. Check out my website. I'mAPellethead.com, your pellet growing headquarters. I'm Steve, and I'm bringing the Pellethead out in you. Now, I always make sure I save a couple pieces for Smokey, because dogs are pellet heads too. Smokey, are you a pellet head? Yes, you are a pellet head. Good boy. Yeah. Dogs are pellet heads too. Good boy. Yeah, aren't you?